Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Edna, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can make bleach that you can use in cleaning and disinfecting your home. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, every chemical that I use in this video, I'm going to be posting them on the screen, either here or here. Okay, so, and of course you will need your glove and water. So I'm using 10 liters of water. This is 10 liters of water because I'm making 10 liters of bleach, and these are my chemicals down here. I can't really bring them up because the nylons are tearing. Okay, the nylons are tearing. So inside this water we are going to add our caustic soda. Before we do that, we need to protect ourselves. Wear your hand glove. And in the process of creating this bleach, if any of this chemical touches your hand, you need to rinse your hand with water immediately. Okay, so it doesn't cause damage, because these chemicals are corrosive. So let us wear gloves. Oh boy, you see now, see what I'm telling you. So guys, I've added the first chemical, which I'll leave this the name of the screen. Like I told you, the nylon was tearing. Okay, it's even torn as I'm talking to you. So I'm going to add the second one. Make sure your area is ventilated, guys. I'm adding another one. So it's just this is 10 liters of bleach that I'm making. So when I bought it, they packaged it 5 liters. So that's why it's looking as if it's plenty. They package it 5 liters. So the last one I'm adding is the soda ash. Hey, you see now. So the last chemical I added was soda ash, and now that we have added all these ingredients, we are going to stir very well. So now that we are done stirring, you are going to cover it and keep it in a safe place so that it can form the bleach that we are looking for. So the water is going to settle, the white residue will settle below, and then the bleach will be on top. You will see in a short while. Okay, so we usually leave it for 24 hours or until it settles completely. Then I'll now show you what it looks like next. So I'm going to cover it and keep it in a safe place until it settles. Okay, then we will come back. Okay guys, it has settled. I didn't wait for 24 hours actually. You see now, You see the upper side, the clear liquid is the jig. Then you see that white liquid down, do not throw it away because it's useful. You know what we call vim? Vim. If you're Nigerian and there is this white substance we do buy to wash our pot, the back of your pot, that is what we have below. That is the vim. So both the jig and the white substance, they are very useful. So if you want to know how to make vim, this is how to make both jig and vim at the same time. So we are going to pour it inside our container, and then you can start making use of it. So you have to be careful so that you don't mix the white substance below. It does not mix. If not, you have to wait again until it settles. So this is how you'll be carrying it carefully until you scoop out the entire jig, so that the white part will be left. This is it. This is it. Your bleach is ready. So I have to find container to pour the rest of the bleach. So it's ready for you to start using. If you want to sell, this is the same way you make your bleach, and then you pack it inside your container, brand it, and start selling. So this is the same way. And the white substance I told you that is vim. So you can use it to wash the back of your pot. Like you have a pot that has charcoal on it and it's difficult to get rid of. That vim will do wonders for you. So do not throw it away. After scooping out your bleach, you can now use the vim to wash your pot. Either you dry it under the sun or use it like that. Here we go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to get notified. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.